Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a Katayaf. It's spelled on the screen right now, and for this recipe we're going to be using flour, water, dried yeast, sugar, corn flour, baking powder, and semolina. If you want the full amount, go to the end of the video. So yeah, stick out till that, and yeah, enjoy the video. I hope you'll have a wonderful time eating this. So yeah, the first step is to mix everything together: the flour, the sugar, the water, and the semolina, and everything else. Now we leave it for an hour to rest. Okay guys, so in this video we're going to be making two types of Katayaf: savory and sweet. So the ingredients for that are on the screen right now. Okay, so we fry it until we see bubbles and it starts to smoke, and then we take it off and put the others. This is what they look like after we fry them, and make sure you wrap them around 2 clean towels so they don't dry. Now putting them into shape. And now that we put them into shape, we're gonna cook them. So yeah, as you can see, we made the savory and the sweet. And yeah, as you can see, we're now cooking them, and yeah. Okay, yeah, so yeah guys, now we're just dipping in the sugar syrup. And yeah, as you can see, we have our savory and our sweet dishes. So yeah guys, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you check out my other videos. See you later. Bye bye.